Hello students, this is Varun. Till now we have seen that coordinate geometry is a tool. Actually it is an algebraic tool for studying the geometry of objects. It has a lot many applications in our daily life, like we can use coordinate geometry to find distance between 2 points whose coordinates are given to us. It enables us to formulate the way to find distance between 2 points whose coordinates are given to us, and this is what we call distance formula. Let's in Cartesian plane we have 2 points, point P and point Q, and the coordinates of point P are x1 y1 and that of point Q are x2 y2, and we want to find distance between point P and point Q. For that, first of all we have to join point P to point Q, and we have to find the length of this line segment PQ. Now from point P we have to draw one perpendicular to x-axis and one perpendicular to y-axis. In the same way, from point Q we have to draw one perpendicular to x-axis and one perpendicular to y-axis. Let PA and PB are perpendiculars from point P to x-axis and y-axis respectively, and QC and QD are perpendiculars from point Q to x-axis and y-axis respectively. Since coordinates of point P are x1 y1, so accordingly the length of OA will be x1 and that of OB will be y1. Similarly, since the coordinates of point Q are x2 y2, that's why the length of OC will be x2 and that of OD will be y2. We already have discussed this thing in the previous video. Now OA equals to x1, OC equals to x2, OA equals to x1 and OC equals to x2. So the value of AC will be that OC minus OA, that is x2 minus x1. In the same way, OB equals to y1 and OD equals to y2. Then the value of BD, it will be OB minus OD, that is y2 minus y1, that we have mentioned here. From this we have found the value of AC as x2 minus x1 and that of BD as y1 minus y2. It is clear that triangle PEQ is right angled and the length of side PE equals to length of BD, which is y2 minus y1, and length of side EQ is same as that of length of AC, which is x2 minus x1. So here we write PE equals to BD, which is y1 minus y2, and QE equals to AC, which we mention x2 minus x1. Now triangle PEQ is right angled, so we can use Pythagoras theorem in this triangle, which states that hypotenuse square is equals to sum of square of remaining two sides, means PQ square equals to EQ square plus EP square. That is how we get PQ square equals to PE square plus QE square. Now we know that PE equals to y1 minus y2. That's why I'm going to replace PE by y1 minus y2 whole square as it is, plus, and QE equals to x2 minus x1. That's why I'm going to replace QE by x2 minus x1 whole square will remain as it is. From this we came to know that PQ square equals to y1 minus y2 the whole square plus x2 minus x1 the whole square. Next, by taking square root on both sides, we get PQ equals to square root of y1 minus y2 the whole square can even be written as y2 minus y1 the whole square plus x2 minus x1 the whole square will remain as it is. And one thing you need to note down that while taking square roots, we haven't applied the sign of plus minus. We just have taken the positive quantity. We haven't applied the sign of negative in front of it. It is because PQ is the length of a line segment, and line segment is a scalar quantity. It can never be negative. That's why we haven't taken negative sign. So here we have derived the formula to find distance between two points whose coordinates are given to us. That is, if coordinates of point P are x1, y1 and that of point Q are x2, y2, then we can find distance between these 2 points by using distance formula, according to which the distance between these 2 points PQ equals to y2 minus y1 the square plus x2 minus x1 the square the whole square root. Thank you. Well students, before ending this session, I want to do one question for you. That question is, find the distance between points whose coordinates are, points of first coordinate are 2, 3 and that of second coordinate are 4, minus 7. Well students, let P is the point with the coordinates 2, 3 and Q is the point with coordinates 4, minus 7. Let this is x1 and let this is y1, let this is x2 and let this be y2. As I told you that we can find distance between 2 points whose coordinates are given to us by using distance formula. So here we will apply distance formula only. So we mention by using distance formula, length PQ equals to y2 minus y1 square plus x2 minus x1 square the whole square root. Here we put the value of y2, that is minus 7 minus, and y1 is 3 the square plus x2 is 4 minus x1 is 2 the square, the whole square root. So we get minus 7 minus 3 is minus 10 the square plus 4 minus 2 is 2 the square. The whole square root will remain as it is. Next we write minus 10 square is 100 and 2 square is 4 the whole square root, and 100 plus 4 is 104 the square root. So from this we get that length of line segment PQ is 100 for the square root. That is our answer. So this is how you can actually find a distance between 2 points whose coordinates are given to us by using distance formula. Thank you.